Good morning. Now we can sing. Good morning, welcome friends, welcome friends, welcome friends. Good morning, welcome friends. We're so glad you're here. We kind of look alike today, sis. We both got our pink on. Hi kiddos, I missed you guys so much. I hope you're having fun at home. I hope you had fun with some of your experiments yesterday. I know Charlie had fun with the hurricane in a bowl. I saw her video. Very cool, Charlie. Today we're going to learn about storms in the winter. And what is it doing outside? It snowed for our winter day, right? That's so crazy. So you're going to learn about blizzards and snowstorms. You're going to make a paper snowflake, which hopefully some of you guys already know how to do. And then you're going to write 5 words to describe a blizzard. So like windy, cold, wet, fluffy, flurry. What was your other one that you used? White? Scary maybe. If you're in a blizzard and you can't see, it's scary, right? Okay. Allie's ready to do our little red box. Here we go. Who's our first friend out? Emerson! Emerson had a cool dance video on Flipgrid. Here we go. I wish I had a little red box to put my Emerson in. I'd take her out and go, and put her back again. Who do we have here? Ellis. Ellis had some cool math problems yesterday. Good job, Ellis. I wish I had a little red box to put my Ellis in. I'd take her out and go, and put her back again. Oh, we're getting them all mixed up. Here we go. Oh, is that the next one?
Yeah.
Dominic. I wish I had a little red box to put my Dominic in. I'd take him out and go, and put him back again. There's Charlie. We were just talking about Charlie. I wish I had a little red box to put my Charlie in. I'd take her out and go, and put her back again. How about one more? Kason. I wish I had a little red box to put my Kason in. I'd take him out and go, and put him back again. Allie, come here. Let's pick a cheer to do. Blaine, you want to do a cheer with me? I got them all in here. I'm losing my helpers. They don't think I'm fun anymore. Let's see. Let's choose. Ooh, this is the awesome one. Ready? AWESOME. 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 Totally. Pick one out of here, sis.
Make sure it's firecracker for me.
What's that one? Snake. Ready? Good job. Pick another one. Remember that one? A round of applause. Go in a circle. All right, how about one more?
Firecracker.
All right, let's find the firecracker for Blaine. It's his favorite. Oh, I can't find it. Probably gonna be one of my last ones. There it is. Here we go. Firecracker, ready? Good job. Ooh, nice one. All right. Today, we're going to start with our very first thing that I want you to turn into me. And yesterday, you guys did domino addition, okay? Today, we're going to do our CVC words. So I have pictures, and you have to write the words. So you need to get something to write with, okay? A piece of paper or a whiteboard. And these are the 4 words that you're writing today. Okay, so scoot over there for just a second, sis. Scoot over in that chair for just a second. I need your chair. Okay, so here are your words. Your first word, it's kind of hard to see. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Looks like somebody has been in something that has 3 letters. It's all over their boots and pants. What do you think? Mud. So, you're writing the word mud. What do we hear in mud? We hear okay, M sound. We hear a vowel, Remember, all of our words are going to have vowels. So, and then punch it out. Mud, d. And we've used these cards in our guided reading before. Does anybody remember why it has these 3 colors? Green, yellow, red. Green, yellow, red. Green is where we start. We slow down to hear the words and we stop at the end. Okay? So we slide it together. Mud. Okay? So it's just a way to kind of help us with each letter. So we have mud. Next word, we have an animal. Okay? Anybody know what that animal's called? Fox, right? Okay, so what do we hear in fox? F. Everybody write an F with me. Make sure you always start your letters at the top. Our vowel in the middle, we hear O. And then we punch it out. Fox, X. So far you should have mud and fox. Okay, mud, fox. Next word down here. What do you think you're doing?
And what?
But you're covering up our words we're writing. There we go. How's that? Oh, there's Birdie. Say hello, Birdie.
Hi.
Hello, boys and girls. Good morning. What can Birdie tell us?
Squeak.
What?
He said squeak, Mommy.
He just said squeak. Okay. All right, we're writing our words. So our next word is tub. Okay, it looks like a bathtub, but we're just going to write the end of it. Tub. Okay? So what do we hear? T. We hear T. Oh, sis, you're making this difficult. Okay. There's our lowercase t. Then we hear a vowel. Okay. Oh, sorry, kind of sloppy. And then punch it out. Tub.
Got it.
Tub. Can you sit right here for just a second? There we go. Thank you. Okay. So, let me fix my U. Okay. So, and then we have a B, and B has a belly, right? B. Next one is a number. Number word, 6, right? Okay. So what do we hear? S, S, S. Then we hear I, and then we punch it out. 6. Just like the end of fox. Okay. They both end with their X sound. So these are the 4 words that you need to send to me. We have mud, fox, tub, and 6. Okay? So write your words. You can even draw a picture of each word if you want. Okay? Write your words, draw your picture, have mom and dad email to me or send to me on our Facebook page. All right. All right, we're going to do a pattern. We didn't get to our patterns yesterday. This is our last day for our April patterns, and we're going to get something else out. Maybe our Christmas patterns or something since it's snowing, right? Okay, so I'm going to do ladybug, ladybug, bumblebee, bumblebee. It's a good pattern, right? Okay, here we go. Ladybug, ladybug, bumblebee, bumblebee. Ladybug, ladybug, bumblebee, bumblebee. So it's A, A, B, B. A, B, B. All right. I got my list here. Make sure I'm doing all my stuff that we didn't do yesterday. We're going to go over our 3D shapes. So I have, what is this one? A sphere, right? It rolls around. You cannot stack it on top of each other. You can only roll it, right? No sides, no vertices. What is it? Sphere. Good. Next shape, I have what is this one called? Cone, right? It has one flat side right here. It has one point at the top. One vertice, one flat side. What is it? Cone. Can you stack it on top of each other? Nope. Can you slide it? Yeah. Can you roll it? Yeah, it would just roll in a circle, but it would roll, right? All right. Next shape. I have a cylinder, right? Flat side here, flat side here. Two flat sides, no corners like the cone, okay? It can roll like this, it can stack, and it can slide. All three, okay? What shape is it? Cylinder. Our last shape is a cube. Look at that cube. What color is my cube? Blue. It has 6 sides, just like a dice that you roll, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? We have vertices. Those are our corners. We have 8 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We can stack it up. We can slide it, but we can't roll it. It does not roll. When you roll a dice, okay, you can kind of throw it and roll it, but it does not roll like the sphere. Okay? So, sphere, cube, cone, cylinder. Remember our song? Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone, and a pyramid, right? We don't talk about that. All right, 3D shapes. I'm going to do our number of the day because we didn't do that yesterday. We're going to go back and start at number 1. So who remembers how to spell the number word 1? It's kind of a tricky one because we don't really hear the sounds. O-N-E. This is what the word looks like. 1. 1. We kind of hear the N, I guess. Okay, 1. If I would draw it on my 10 frame, it's just one single dot. One single dot. We can count it in our head. 1. If I do comparing numbers, I'm going to write the number 1. I'm going to write the number 0. I'm going to write the number 2. So out of these 3 numbers, which one is the most? The 2, right? So you're going to circle your 2. Which one is the least, the smallest? 0, right? I'm going to underline my 0. Okay? If I do an adding and subtracting problem that equals 1, I can do 1 plus 0 equals 1. I can do 0 plus 1. I can just switch the order, right? So 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1. If I do a subtraction, you can take any number and subtract 1 and then be left with 1, okay? So for example, I could do 10 minus 9. You're left with 1. Do you remember one of our songs we did where she wishes for 100 teddies, right? But then she doesn't want that many, so she takes 99 away, and she's left with 1, right? Remember that one? 100 minus 99 is 1. So you could do big problems like that. All right. Number order, I have a number before, which is 0. And I have a number after, which is 2. All right. We did our number. We're going to talk about punctuation, and it's kind of buried up here. I got a lot of stuff going on. I have what's called a period right here. And when you tell somebody something, you put a period at the end. Okay? In the middle is a question mark, a big question mark. If you say, how are you? What are you doing? Those are all questions. Okay? And my last one is an exclamation mark. So you're excited. I'm excited. I get to play outside today. Okay? Something you're excited about, you would put an exclamation mark at the end. Okay? Does anybody see anything new I have above me? I have Gerald. And I have Piggy from our stories, right? We're going to learn how to draw Gerald today. Are you guys ready? All right. Let me move my stuff here. I have my paper ready to go. I'm going to put it right up here by Gerald. I'm going to have to probably move it a little bit closer so you guys can see. Okay. Gerald's a fun one to draw. And what I found, I got this a couple years ago in one of our book orders. It's this whole book about Mo Willems and all his characters. And in the book, it actually shows you all the steps. Like there's how we drew the pigeon, okay? It tells you how to, it doesn't have duckling in here. And then it talks about all the different ways you can draw the pigeon. And then it talks about how you can make your own pigeon book. And Then it says, hey, Gerald, we should be in a book too. And then it tells you how to draw him. So what we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to draw Gerald. Here's all of our steps, okay? So you need something to write with. Let me get my marker out. Gerald's a fun one to draw. He's got his big old trunk that you draw first. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is draw his trunk. So get your thing to write with and follow along with my steps. Okay, are you ready? Here's our trunk. We're going to start here. You kind of go over and down, okay? And then you kind of go in and then back up. Like that. Kind of looks like someone's knee and their leg going down, right? Okay? So there's his trunk. That's your first step. Then you're going to draw his face that goes around it. So, and you're going to kind of, like, don't go all the way down below his trunk. You kind of start here and make his circle go all the way around. See how I kind of have this hanging down below his face? See that? Okay? So you have your trunk, and then you have the circle face. Okay? Next step, he has glasses. Okay, look at his little glasses here. So we're going to draw his little glasses. So we do a line here, and then a circle. Okay, so a line and a circle, and then a line that connects it, and another circle, and then a line to the end of his head. Ooh, one's a little bit bigger, isn't it? That's okay. And then he needs his eyeballs, so you're just going to go in the middle of your circle and draw his little eyeballs. Okay? So we have his trunk. We drew his face all the way around, and then we drew his glasses.
No.
I know, I'll get it. The next step is his mouth. And his mouth is kind of off to the side of his face, so you kind of do it over here, like that. Okay? So we have his trunk, his face, his glasses, his little mouth. Is he looking good?
Mommy,
All right.
we're gonna draw Piggy.
I will. We'll do Piggy tomorrow. Okay? Then we're going to draw his body. So you're going to go down like this and down like this. Okay? And then you're going to kind of connect together. Okay? So you go down, down, connect. Let me turn my page here. Then we're going to do his ears, right? Okay? So to make his ears, you kind of do like a big arch, like a rainbow. Okay? And then you keep going down, and then you just kind of go straight across to his face. So you make an arch, and then straight to his face. Okay? I'm kind of running out of room. You do an arch on this side, and then over to his face. Okay? That looks good. So, ears, ears. Everybody got that? If I'm going too fast, you can always pause it. Start it back up, okay? All right. Next, you have his arms, okay? So you're going to grab two like this. And what they have in here, this is how they drew their arms, but I didn't really like it. See, he's got one arm down and one arm up, okay? What I did is I just drew both of my arms down. You can't really see it behind us, okay? So that's what we're going to do. But you could really draw, you could do one up, one down, however you want to do it, okay? And then his arms just kind of go like this, straight across. And then he has like, kind of like a lowercase m, the humps on an M, right? Hump, 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 okay? So I did that. So same thing here. This, across, and then hump, hump, hump. For his little, I don't know, arms, I guess? Legs? Okay. Then the last thing we're going to do is draw our legs, and I'm kind of running out of room here. He's going to have kind of short legs. So you're going to go down, all the way across, kind of like a big rectangle. See that? And then kind of like he's got a skirt. But then you're going to do one line down the middle for his feet. And then you're going to do the 3 humps again. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 for his little legs. Okay? All right. Oh, and he needs a little tail. He's got kind of like a little triangle tail right there. Okay? Look at Gerald. He's so cute. I don't really like my legs, but that's okay. They're kind of uneven. So here's our Gerald. So we did our trunk, our face, We did our glasses, our smile, we did our ears, we did our body, we did our arms, okay? We did our legs and our tail. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and color Gerald. I just did them all gray. If you notice, kind of on the front here, his eyes are kind of like a little bit lighter, and then where we did the M humps are like a little bit lighter gray, okay? So if you look at my Gerald up here, oh, I guess you gotta move it, huh? Okay, can kind of see what I did. Now the last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna make a speech bubble, and I do not have room on my paper. Hopefully you guys drew it smaller than yours. I'm just gonna kind of draw a speech bubble maybe coming out here. Okay, and what's something he could say? We're going to wait on that because I'm going to read our book today. Allie K. Okay, we're going to read our book, and then maybe we can come up with something we can say. Yesterday's book, it was the party book, remember? And he said, we must be ready. Party, 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 right? Okay? Today's book is a really cute one. It's called I Will Surprise My Friend. Whoa, sorry. Okay? So this one's super cute. I will surprise my friend. Look at their faces. They look kind of evil, don't they? Like they're going to trick them. Okay? So another book by Mo Willems. As we're reading, think about what you want your speech bubble on Gerald to say. Okay? Here they are. It looks like they're sneaking away. I will surprise my friend. Okay. Look. Hee 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 hee. What's he doing? What are you doing? I am going to surprise my friend. Shh, here she comes. Boo! Ah! Hee 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 hee. Ha 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 ha. They're laughing. So he got scared, but then he thinks it's so funny. Have you ever done that to anybody? You surprised me. I did. Let's do that again. Okay. I have an idea. What do you think it's going to be? Think they're going to do the same thing? We could surprise each other. Yes. We could surprise each other by the big rock. Yeah! They are pumped. You go this way, and I will go that way. Getting so sneaky. Hee 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 hee. There's the rock that they're gonna meet by. Hee 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 hee. Hee 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 hee. So you could put that in your speech bubble, right? Hee hee hee. Where is Gerald? Where is Piggy? They're looking one way and they don't see each other.
Yeah.
He is not here. She is not here. Oh no, they're going to start to panic. Where can my friend be? I will look on the other side of the rock. She is not there. He is not there. These are what's called kind of like thinking bubbles because they're not saying it, they're thinking it. Because if they said it, the other one would hear it, right? So these are just the things that they're thinking in their heads. Oh no, maybe Piggy is lost and about to fall off a cliff. Or maybe a giant bird grabbed Piggy and flew off with her. Or maybe a scary, scary monster is trying to eat her right now. Poor Piggy. And then Piggy says, or Piggy thinks, maybe Gerald got hungry for lunch. Piggy must be saved. I am hungry for lunch. I must save her. I will get lunch. I will save you, Piggy! Lunchtime!
The piggy said, I'm saving you down.
Ah! They scared each other. Look at them how high they jumped off the ground. That was a surprise. A big surprise. Plop. Plonk.
The dog said, punk.
Next time, let's play tag. Deal. And that's the end of the story. So cute. I will surprise my friend. Did they actually surprise each other? Yeah, big time. All right. So if you're doing a speech bubble or a thought bubble, right? Things that they're thinking. He could say he because he wants to scare them, right? He could say Piggy, I will save you. So you could say I will save you, right? You could do the part where they're scared. Ah! Okay? So just as silly. Anything that Gerald would say. It could also be from yesterday when they're doing the party. Party, party. Or he says, I know parties, right? Okay? So something Gerald would say, that's your writing activity today, okay? The thing that you need to send to me is your sounding out of your words, okay? So keep sounding out. We'll read that one tomorrow, sis. It's called I Have a New Toy, or I Love My New Toy. So write your CVC words. Do your drawing of Gerald. I can't wait to see what you guys draw with your thought bubble or speech bubble, right? Okay? Good job, kiddos. Thanks for watching today. Allie, you want to do Birdie? You want to do Birdie? Hello, boys and girls. I miss you. You guys want to throw them M&Ms and Skittles? Okay, get into your pockets. Dig deep if you have any Easter candy left, right? Dig into your pockets. Throw them at Birdie. She's ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's some down here. Oh, she dropped some. All right, kindergartners, wave to Birdie. Bye, Birdie. See you guys tomorrow on your video. Have fun learning and writing today. I can't wait to see your work. See you later. Bye, guys.